just the dunk itself is my motivation. When I'm jumping that high, it feels amazing, like just explosion, you know? When I jump over somebody, put it between my legs, sometimes it really feels like I'm just chilling in the air. It's a crazy feeling. My name is Hanif Munir. They call me Young Hollywood on the court, and I'm from Los Angeles, California. Yo, what's good? It's your boy Hanif, aka Young Hollywood. Today, we're going to see my boy Mel. He's a well-known doctor and chiropractor, and he's one of the best in the area. So I'm hoping he can help me get my body right so I can get back to dunking ASAP. I'm excited to link up with him again. He's somebody I've been working with since I was probably about 18. So let's go to Culver City.
Jump man.
Okay, so the last like 2 months maybe I've been having like a lot of lower back pain. And before that it was like my hip and my IT band. I felt like kind of like arthritis a little bit, maybe in my hip or something, or tendonitis.
Now, I just seen you just went back to really working out hard again because you were starting to do all the pull-ups and doing all that stuff again. So,
exactly.
And you started jumping again. You need to stop jumping on that cement.
Yeah.
So, but you haven't fallen, no major accident or any gotten tripped up, falling or nothing. Just stand on one foot. Any pain to the knee? Any pain?
No.
You're a little wobbly on that side. That's weak. All right, switch. Any pain? Any shift in the low back? Anything like that?
I do feel a little tightness in my lower back.
In your lower back. Okay, put both down. Just lean into it as far as you can go. Just act like you're gonna put that bottle down the back of your leg. Any pain coming to the back, to the hip, to anything?
No.
All right, switch sides. Just run your hand just like you're going down the back of your leg. Anything going down?
It feels a little tighter on this
On
side.
the right side?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. So it's more muscular of what you're feeling than anything else. You're not getting any sharp stabs, any pains, anything like that.
Not right now, but like I said, when I'm jumping or sometimes.
Okay, but when you put a pressure. All right, so we'll face down. This will make a lot of things feel better, but if you don't break down the muscle, you know, to let it, it's like when you're working out. When you get big, you're tearing a muscle down to let it build up to get bigger, right?
Right.
So same thing when you do an injury, you basically tore the muscle and it repairs itself, but it repairs itself with scar tissue. So if you don't break up that scar tissue to let the muscle function like it's supposed to, then it's always going to be a little feeling like it's just not fully there.
Yeah.
This is right on the inferior portion of his scapula area. It's a really small muscle right in there. And it hurts regardless, like even if you didn't really hurt it or injure it, because it doesn't really get hit a lot. I just want to loosen that to let his scapula be able to move and open and his arm to go up. Then I also have to go all the way down through here to where it attaches and come up and get underneath as it rides up in through the under armpit to go around to attach to the shoulder. The bad thing about this is when you do this and it hurts, they tighten up areas of the low back. As I'm working on this, trying to help this, I don't want him to tighten all this back up, which he was first complaining of. But I'm gonna get this to just release itself. relax it, let the quad bend. Just relax it, let it just go. Feel this in your hip flexor, tell me when. Feel it in the hip flexor?
Yeah.
And relax. Breathe. Good. Just relax it. Tell me when it's tight.
Alright, it's tight.
Yeah, let your body just relax.
Back is
Tight.
felt really tight until I stood up and it
Then it kind of loosened up, right? Yeah. So make sure your hips are level, but you're slightly off on your right foot, slightly shorter. So that means your low back is, and your pelvis is twisted to that side. Let it go. Good. Let it go. Nice. Take a deep one and hold it. Lock the knee. Hamstring's already tight. You need it at 90. Breathe, just let it go. Just let your body just roll. Bring this arm up. Take nice deep breaths, ain't gonna do nothing. Just let your body just roll, just let it twist. Just wanna let it relax, let the muscle stretch. All right, try to lift this leg to the ceiling. And relax. Lift it to the ceiling. And relax. Lift it to the ceiling. And relax. All right, just let your head just drop in my hand. Drop and roll. Just let it roll. Just let it just drop and roll. That's it. For a little bit of it, you're gonna feel a little tight because we were stretching and pulling. But then as you kind of go, it'll loosen up.
Yeah.
Just bend over, touch your toes. Up. And just take your arm straight above your head. What you feel in your shoulder that you were feeling?
It just felt like some pressure was released.
Yeah. Not gonna be till you put that weight on to feel what it does.
Exactly. Appreciate that, Doc.
Yes, sir. This is Dr. Braxton at West J Med Spa in Culver City, California. You can call 323-348-8137. Come see me.
So it was a successful visit. Shout out to my boy Mel. Reach out to him. He does great work. I'm feeling better already. Let's get it.
Feeling on the way to